Eat.
Don't the claws start to stink if you keep them?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Maya. Go ahead. Look.
Num num. Eat num num. Eat num num.
I'm gonna snap his leg off.
Eat num-nums.
Get it, Maya.
I want to cook it and eat his tail. Are you videoing?
Eat, Maya. Eat. Eat. See yum-yums.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Good job, Maya. Good job. Get it. Get it, Maya.
Eat it.
Good girl.
Eat it. Come on, eat it.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good job.
He eats, Maya.
Good job. Get him. Get him. Good girl. Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl, Maya.
Ice cream cone.
Good Maya. That's a good girl. Good girl.
Dead by now, I bet.
Those are kind of hard there, but...
Good girl.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Good girl. She knows. Good girl.
Oh, she's got his head.
Good job. Good job, Maya. Good job. Good girl.
Oh, she ripped his head off.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. What a good girl. What a good girl you are.
Tastes like bone.
That's her first live catch.
That's what mamas do. They catch it and they give it to them alive.
Get it, get it, get it. Eat, eat. Good girl.
There you go.
Good job.
There you go.
Good job.
Very good girl. That's where it's at, right there.
Oh, she's gonna pull his leg off.
Good girl. Good girl. Eat.
Back off, Nick.
Yeah. Good girl.
Dad, what time is it?
Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, she got it. Yes, he said.
What a good girl.
Oh, he's not dead.
Good girl. Good girl. Eat.